Hey, how are you guys doing today? I'm just fine. I'm happy to be here. I'm back. I'm back just to help you. Just in case you are assigned to be a teacher, if you know some English. So sometimes they need you. So they assign you to teach your poor English or your poor or rich English. Anyway, these are some hints taken from the IT. Do you remember the IT? The IT is the instructor text to help you develop some writing exercises in your classroom. Remember, if you are called to teach, it is because they need your help. Do your best. Here we go with some options for your writing class. Ready? Ready to go? Okay. So checking reading exercise answers. There are many innovative ways to conduct the often mundane business of correcting errors. Some strategies listed here will usefully extend an exercise and will let you get a little more mileage out of it. Have your students read their answers aloud. Have one or more students write their answers on the board. Encourage peer correction of any mistakes students see on the board. Write the answers from the book on the board or project them using an overhead transparency. And I'm sorry if you are so young, so you don't know what an overhead projector is. You might not know. Well, in the past we used it. And now you have the projector, so don't worry. In the past, transparencies, right now they are slides, so don't worry about it. Have students check their own work or exchange books and correct a classmate's work. Write the students' answers on the board and let classmates discuss and correct. Pair students and have them compare their answers. Discuss differences of opinion. At the conclusion, be sure everyone has the correct answer. For multiple choice exercises, have students state out loud, individually or in unison, the letter of the answer they chose. For true or false statements, have students state true or false, individually or in unison. For false statements, ask for a volunteer or call on students at random to restate it so that it is true. Well, as you know, writing is a skill that you should remember all the time because it is a part of academic language training. Don't forget what I offer you in this channel. I humbly offer. Hopefully, it is useful for you. So do your best. If this is helpful for you, I'm more than happy. So see you next teaching time.